All right, back we go. Another video. It is Wednesday, February 10th. Going over a lot of these small caps. The market's been like on fire, on fire, on fire, on fire. All right, let's check out FAMI. This is FAMI. I think it did this stock maybe a long time ago. 9.6 million float, 37 million market cap. Uh, FAMI receives order for export to Dubai. That was the 8th. They process sell agricultural products in China, United States, Japan, Canada, Europe, Korea, Middle East. So let's take a look at this. This formed about 2018, went all the way up to 10. Big drop. A 3, bounced to 550. Came back down to 3, then bounced into 5. Came back all the way again. It looks like to this 110 line. Then you had to bounce up, but didn't work. Came back to like 32 cents. And then look at these wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. After maybe the 12th wick, this broke through 110. Whatever reason, that was the line, and they broke it up. The low was getting higher here. Look, 1, 2, 3 zones, 4, 5 on this trend line. There you have it here. So this is pretty clear. Ascending triangle. If you want to learn ascending triangle, here it is. The low keeps getting higher, and right there you get over a line, and there we go. Like all the rest of them. Up we went. Tested. See, we tested 110, but it held. That's great support. Resistance then becomes major support, and that's what it was. Came down here again. It faked out a lot of people, but today just ripped, roared. Got to 2, came back a little bit. So, in this right here, you have this 2 lines very big. See that right here? You have the big drop. So right at 2, if we get over 2 here, you're looking at possibly 250 to 3. I would look for that short term, see if we can get there. If this keeps going. Now, if this pulls back, this big candle, you want 140, 130 to hold, maybe even 120. Then you can have levels here, 110 for early drops, or this ascending triangle. Could be even the 1 to 90 cents. You get a strong pullback on this. So we'll see what happens with that. But look at the trend here. We're going up. Very nice long here. ACST, I've done this many times. Can't get my mouse. Where's my mouse? All right, this is ACST. 95 million float on FinViz, 215 million market cap. Let's see here. Results of third quarter, that was February 9th. Biopharma, focus on research, development, commercialization of prescription drugs, treatment, cardiovascular diseases. All right, this is the big move on this stock. June, this went up. Back and forth, sideways chop. Again, double topped. Really crashed hard in January. Tried to test 1, bounced all the way down to this 25-cent level. Bounced up again. Came close to 1. Nope. Look at this little cross here. Hanging cross, that's a buy. Came back up to 75. Then we gapped down hard. This one as low as maybe like 17 cents. Then draw your line here. Look at this. Excuse me. Little triangle up. Triangle up. Triangle up. Another one here. So every dip was bought. Move here. Buy. Move here. Buy. Little buy here. Another one. Another one. And you're far away from your 13 EMA like the other ones now. This is the trend. This is the charts have been now for over a month. So if this comes and tests 1 and it bounces back, that's great. That's what exactly it did. If this comes to 80, 70 cents, still could be a buy. It doesn't mean the move's over exactly. We're into this gap, this huge gap. Are we going up here again? I think it's possible. Less big volume down here, the market changes. Immediately looking for this 125 right to this 175 level. We'll see if that happens maybe this week, and then 2+ on this. So that's what it looks like at this point. See the move, the drop. You get your bounce. Then it came down again, retested, went a little below, and then this thing roared and is on fire. ATMF. It says 0.97 million float, super low float, 113 million market cap, 180 life science corp, clinical stage bio, development of drug candidates, inflammatory diseases, fibrosis, pain. No news recently. This had the weird chart. Look at this chart. This goes back to like 2018. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this was around or, but it did come about and it dropped. Look at that. This thing dropped to $2. Let me draw this line all the way over. This 4 lines big. It's 2 lines big. So another rounding U, the U shape. Stocks are coming from up high. They've crashed down. Could be months, could be years, and they're making this pattern, the flat sideways pattern, and then round it up, and there we go, off to the races. It's like shooting out of a rocket. You see the cannonball in the movies, like coming down. You're loading up the cannonball, and this thing just rockets out. Or you ever see the guy um, in commercials, whatever? The guy's in a cannon, some goofy commercials, and it just shoots off into a net somewhere. That's what it's like. Going here, shoot them off, and then there we go. So said to drop the 2 back and forth. Tried to test here. At 4, came back the 350, and then off we go. Look at this, nice candles, nothing huge, no real crazy candles. It's going. That's what I thought it would do. I thought it'd just bounce each line to line. Now, if it keeps going like this, you have 650. Just take line to line. That's all you're doing each day. Now, if this pulls back, it can pull back hard to this 4 line. That would be great support. 475, 425, your EMAs. That could happen. You don't want it to fall the way in here. Then it's a whole nother move. But here's the U shape. Here it is. Another cup and handle, you could say. You could say 1. Down here is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. And here's the handle right here. Cup and handle. So if you're facing the cup this way, if you put a cup towards you and the handle's on this side, that's what it looks like. That's why it's called a cup and handle. It's a 5-point move. A 1 moves up here, 2 move here, 3, 4, and usually 5, though, it says this, and then it pulls back to this line and then takes off. But nothing's exact. All patterns, nothing works exactly like it is on textbooks. So just be aware of that. This is another great move. All right, so please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Leave information about any stock that on these videos that would help. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. And YouTube, smash and like the video. It's helping the algos. It's really boosting it. I appreciate the support. And that's it. We'll be back.